Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're gonna read Find a Footprint. In this book, there is what to spot. Can you help whose footprints? Bear and Bird were very excited. The rain had finally passed and the sun was warming the air. Best of all, they had a picnic ready to share with their friends in a beautiful spot nearby. We owe to be our way, chipped Bird. I agree, replied Bear. I can't wait to see everyone. My tummy's rumbling too. Can you spot a bumblebee, pine cone, a butterfly, a bluebell, a worm, and a buttercup? There's the worm, and here's the butterfly, and the bumblebee, and the buttercup, and the bluebell. And then, last of all, the pine cone. They hadn't walked far before Bear spotted some muddy footprints leading away from the path. He bent down for a closer look. I don't recognize these. Bear and Bird's footprints are very different from the ones they found. Who could they belong to? This is the bear one and this is the bird one. Who is pecking noisily on the tree? Put your answer in Facebook or my Instagram channel. Can you spot the woodpecker, honeyskull, womble, beetle, and a squirrel? This page you will do it by yourself. Look, cried the bird. The footprints go this way. Come on! Excited by their discovery, Bird flew ahead. She knew she was really keen to find the owner of these muddy footprints. Bear sighed. His tummy was rumbling louder than ever. He scampered after Bird. I hope they stop soon. Can you spot ladybird, owl, acorn, and a slug? Where is the slimy slug? Correct, it's right here. Before long, they found themselves at the old oak tree. Behind it, it was Fox. Are these muddy footprints yours? Asked Bear. Nah, they don't belong to me, replied Fox. But maybe Moose might know. Okay, cried Bear. But let's be quick, then we can eat our picnic. Can you spot spider, fungi, and a lizard? Fox footprints are like a dog's, but they're slightly longer and narrower. Bear and Fox and Bird found Moose next. He was staring at the ground and looking puzzled. Do you know who made these footprints? He asked. We thought you would tell us, sighed Bear. Well, they aren't mine, laughed Moose. But if we find who made them, they can share our picnic. Can you spot berries, swallow, moth, snail, and a wild rose? The hard part at the ends of the moose's foot is called a hoof. Each hoof has 2 large toes. Who is flying high in the air? Can you spot kingfisher, rushes, newt, primrose, and smelt? At the edge of a pond, the river stopped. The footprints stopped. Bear was confused. Hello, Frog. Did you see who made these muddy footprints? Frog shook her head. I've been swimming all day in the pond all day. But look, the footprints carried this way. Who is swimming under Frog's little cool green lily pad? Put your answers in the comments in my other channels, like Facebook and Instagram. Frogs' webbed feet help them climb and swim. That's the frog footprints. Who is sitting on Bear's picnic basket? Frog joined them as they followed the prints. The marks are difficult to spot under all these leaves, explained Fox. They are looking for food, replied Bird. Look, cried Bear, pointing at the ground. All the prints are all muddled here. What do you think their owner was doing? They're looking for food, replied Bird. But Bear's tummy growled loudly. Well, I would like to eat our food soon. Can you spot birch leaf? This is what birch leaf looks like. A chestnut, a mouse, a nest, a scaramore seed, and a maple leaf. Who is sitting on Bear's picnic basket? Put your comments in my other channels, please. As Fox followed the footprints into a hollowed-out log, there was a sudden loud snort. Hey, what are you doing? This is my home, cried Squirrel. Squirrel popped up very upset. Both Bear and Bird apologized. We're sorry to disturb you, but is there anyone else in your log? A squirrel's paw has very strong claws for digging and climbing. Can you spot a worm, an earwig, a caterpillar, a stag beetle, and a millipede? What is crawling on Fox's tail? No, there isn't, said Squirrel, but I'll help you look in every hole, nook, and crack. So they lifted every mossy rock and overturned every stone. There's no one here, Bear exclaimed. Only ants, termites, and few slimy snail trails. Now, there's 2 can you spot, so let's do this one first. Can you spot a feather, a snail shell, blackberries, terminal, hazelnuts? The second can you spot has a fern, an ant, a beetle wing, and an eggshell. Come on, let's keep following the prints, urged Bird. What has Fox found under the rock? Where is the honeybee hive? The footprints led them to a cave, and Bear popped his head inside. Yoo-hoo! He bellowed. Is anyone in here? bat fluttered out, disturbed by Bear's big booming voice. It's very dark in here, said Moose, and a bit smelly too. Look, yapped Fox. I found the footprints. They go this way. Can you spot a honeybee hive, a bat, a fungus, and an ivy? Hurrying on, they scrambled through the wheat field. Suddenly, rabbits ran in all directions, shouting, "Fox! I'm not chasing you," said Fox. "I just wanted to ask you if you know who made these tracks." "We do," replied one brave rabbit. "They went that way to the riverbank." Rabbits have very furry feet. Their strong claw helps them dig burrows. Who is sitting on the old tree stump? Can you spot a grasshopper, a hare, a wheatgrass daisy, and a poppy? Rushing to the riverbank, they discovered Duck quacking happily on a rock. "Hello, Duck. We've been following these footprints. Are they yours?" After another loud quack. "Quack!" Duck replied. "Yes, they belong to me." Hooray, they all cheered. "Come and join our picnic." Can you spot a dragonfly, a water skater, a goose, and a salmon? Simon. Who is leaping out of the water? Duck. Duck has webbed feet, shaped like paddles. These help them move through the water. This picnic is yummy, cheered Fox and Moose. "Thank you, Bear and Bird." Dear Bear handed Duck another cookie. "Did you enjoy your walk today?" "I did," replied Duck, "and I saw lots of wonderful things in the woods too." Bear, chipped Bird. "Can you remember what we saw on our woodland adventure?" "What else did you see in the woods?" Please comment it on my other channels. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.